Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to report a user on Discord. So reporting a user can be dealt with initially by contacting the server administrator or owner. If the user has violated guidelines or rules set by the server, it's best to start with your server admins. Most Discord servers use badges to identify admins and moderators, so send them a DM with your information. If your server administrators can't or won't help, or if the user is causing you trouble through direct messages, you can check to see if they are violating Discord's wider community guidelines. You can find this on Google discord.com/guidelines. If the user is violating guidelines, you can gather proof to write a detailed report by either screenshotting a message or obtaining the message links on the desktop version of Discord. You can find these by over the offending messages, then clicking on the triple dotted icon that appears on the right. Just click on copy message link. Once you have prepared your evidence, then come to this support.discord.com and then submit a request. Fill in your information and upload your evidence. Then hit submit once you are done. Discord team should contact you shortly for any information or action on your part. So that's how you can report a user on Discord. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.